Seagull. The owl and the seagull were great friends for quite some time. One day, the owl was not able to fly. Although he was used to sleeping at night, he was not able to sleep at all. He had also not eaten anything. The seagull said, "Dear friend, I can see that you have not eaten anything at all. I will go and get you something to eat." The owl was very thankful for the seagull. Soon, the seagull returned with something to eat for the owl. The owl was well again. Moral: always help your friends in need.